during these discussions, we had 3 projects he was pushing. One of it is the student village of KISII Polytechnic. The second one was the student village of KISII University. The third one was the tarmacs within the constituency. As we are speaking, they are also celebrating and receiving a contractor in Nairobi for the tarmacs of the constituency. After this meeting, I shall also be receiving surveyors to show them on where the tarmacs are going to run. So, as a novice of the Member of Parliament, we are very happy for these achievements, and we request that we continue moving together as a team to make sure that all these dreams are actualized. And maybe our request to the contractor who is going to do this work, and normally this is what Mheshimiwa normally say, you make sure also you empower the local young people within the institution and the local young people within the constituency.